Okay, so today we are going to take and we are going to write linear equations given 2 points. So let's consider the problem below. Jack drew a line through the points -21, 8 and 78, 74. Did the line pass through 27, 42? This is pretty tough to solve if you just had a graph. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we are going to solve this using what we know. Okay, so we can find, I'm going to teach you guys today how to find this equation. And so, and then we can see if 27, 42 is on there. Okay, so our strategy is first to find the equation of the line. Okay, then check, second thing would be to check if 27, 42 makes it true. Okay, so the first step before we can write our equation, we learned on Monday that we had to have a point and a slope. Okay, we learned 2 different ways to do this, but in order to write an equation, we do need those 2 things. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope. Okay, now I've got my 2 points, and so I'm going to take and jot those down. -21, 8 and 78, 74. Okay, so here I like to label x1, y1, x2, y2. My equation, remember, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So then I can go ahead and put in my coordinates. 74 minus 8 over 78 minus a -21. Okay, so remember this turns to addition here. 74 minus 8 would give us 66. I'm going to write that down here. Over 99. Now I know that 66 over 99 is kind of like 6 over 9, and this reduces to 2/3. So there we have our slope, 2/3. Okay, so it says write the equation. Now you can either use point slope form or you could use slope intercept form and solve for that intercept. It doesn't really matter which one you use, whichever one you practiced Monday and got more comfortable with. So you are going to write the equation right now. I think I kind of like point slope form. So that's where we have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So it doesn't matter which pair you use. This would be y minus 8 equals my slope of 2/3 times x, and it turns out to be plus a 21 because minus a negative turns into a plus. So then the next step would be to distribute this and move that 8 over. So this turns into 2/3 x, and I know that 2/3 times, oh, this is 21, sorry. 21 can be divided by 3. You could use a calculator to do this,